Voyager 2, launched in 1977, is a spacecraft that has made groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of the solar system and beyond. It is the only spacecraft to have visited Uranus and Neptune, and on December 10, 2018, it entered interstellar space following its twin, Voyager 1. After nearly 48 years, it is still functioning and sending back information, though its power supply is weakening. Voyager 2 studied all 4 giant planets in the solar system at close range. This included discovering a 14th moon orbiting Jupiter. Voyager 2 was the first and so far only human-made object to fly past Uranus and Neptune. While at Uranus, Voyager 2 discovered 2 new rings and 10 more moons. While at Neptune, Voyager 2 discovered 5 moons, 4 rings, and a great dark spot. Voyager 2 crossed the heliopause, the boundary between the heliosphere and interstellar space, in 2018. The data collected during this crossing is helping scientists understand the shape and dynamics of the heliosphere and how it interacts with the interstellar medium. Voyager 2 provides valuable data about the interstellar medium, in the space between stars. Its instruments measure the composition of cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma in this region, giving us a unique insight into the environment beyond the heliosphere, which is the Sun's sphere of influence. Voyager 2 is expected to continue sending back data for several more years, providing a long-term view of interstellar space. This will help scientists track changes in the interstellar medium and gain a better understanding of the galactic environment. In conclusion, overall, Voyager 2's interstellar journey is providing invaluable insights into the vast and mysterious realm beyond our solar system. Its data is helping us understand the composition and dynamics of interstellar space, the boundary of the heliosphere, and our place in the galaxy. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.